Welcome to this tutorial on creating animated YouTube videos using ChatGPT, ElevenLabs, and SteveAI. First, let's understand the role of each tool in this process. ChatGPT will be used for scripting our video content. ElevenLabs specializes in creating realistic voiceovers. SteveAI will help us animate the video according to the voiceover. Now, let's start with the first step, writing the script using ChatGPT. Begin by outlining your video's topic and main points. Open ChatGPT and type in your video's topic. Ask ChatGPT to generate ideas or sections for your script. Once you have a basic outline, request ChatGPT to expand each point into a full script. Ensure your script is clear and concise for better narration. After finalizing your script, it's time to create the voiceover using ElevenLabs. Open ElevenLabs and create a new project. Copy and paste your script into ElevenLabs text box. Choose a voice that matches the tone of your video. Listen to the voiceover sample and make adjustments as needed. Export the audio file once you're satisfied with the voiceover. Next, we might need to edit the audio using Audacity. Open Audacity and import your voiceover file. Look for parts in the audio that might need extended silence. Use Audacity's tools to insert silence where necessary. This helps in syncing the audio perfectly with animated visuals. Export the edited audio file from Audacity. Now let's move on to creating the animation with SteveAI. Open SteveAI and go to the Voice to Video section. Select the animation option for your video style. Upload your edited voiceover file to SteveAI. SteveAI will automatically transcribe the voiceover. The platform aligns the audio with relevant animated scenes. Watch the initial animated video draft. Check if the animations sync well with the voiceover. If not, use SteveAI's editing tools to adjust the timing. You can also change animations to better fit your script. Once satisfied, preview the entire animated video. Make any final edits to ensure smooth transitions and timing. Export the final animated video from SteveAI. Your animated YouTube video is now ready for upload. Remember, practice makes perfect. Feel free to experiment with different voices and animations. With each video, you'll get better at using these tools effectively. Thank you for watching and happy video making.